Hello everyone, this is my review of the 10 Little Fingers and 10 Little Toes children's book. This is a simple picture book written in a rhyming type style. It's fun and pretty thick. The pages are cardboard. Let me open it up and show you the inside. The illustrations are watercolors, and it's pretty colorful. The pages are thick and cardboard type. I'll turn a few pages so you can see. It's mostly picture and with a few words there. It's for you to read to your child. We could go through it pretty quickly, but it's fun, and I highly recommend this book, and I hope this review helps.